Okay. Okay, guys. So welcome to the class number 5, and this is Unity Game Development course. And in today's class, we will do 2.5D player movement from scratch. And then we will try to import a free character from asset store, in which you can see how to import any asset for free from asset store. Okay. And then we will try to do the player animator, like when we move the player in 2.5D, so how we can apply the animations to the player, like he is going forward or he is going like backward. So that's all from today class, and let's jump into the Unity. So here we have previously done a very basic these are the basics of Unity actually. So for now I can make a new folder and we can call it 2.5D okay game. Okay, in this folder we can create a new folder, we can call it scene, and under this scene folder we can create a new scene which we can call a gameplay. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, for now, first come first, we will create a 2.5D player movement. Okay, so here, first of all, what we need to do, we need to make a player. For that, first of all, we will make a cube like this, and we have to make x0, y0, and z0. Now you can see this. Okay, and then right now the colors are not good, so we have to set up the lightning. So you have to open up the lightning window, and under the environment select the source of environment lightning to color and change it to this, to the white. Okay, a little bit this. Okay, so now we have created a cube, so and we can call it a player. And now what we want to do, when we press D, so it should go forward, and whenever we press A, so it will go back. Is that clear? Are you guys with me?
Yes, very clear.
Everything is fine and clear?
So
Okay.
far, so good.
Yeah, so when we press D button, D key from the keyboard, so it will go forward, and when we press the A key, so it will go backward. So for that we will be little fast because you are professional. You both become professional for me. So now first come first, what we do now, we will create a keyboard manager. For that we have to create a empty game object, and we can call keyboard manager, or we can call it input manager. Input manager is more fine. So we can create a new script, input manager, new script. Okay, so it will create a new script. Okay, so for that now we have to create a new folder under 2.5D game. We can rename it to scripts. Input manager, drag this under the scripts folder. Okay, and the Unity flow, we have to drag and drop these two scripts over here, so it's becomes more good now. Okay, it's more, it was a previous it was a previous project we have done, Unity flow, in which we have done so many understandings of Unity, and now we are doing a 2.5D game. Okay, so this is how you manage the project. Okay, scene is another thing, and the scripts will have all the script related to that game. So now open the input manager. So did you try, did you practice something or not during that time?
I'll be honest with you. For me, no.
Okay. Okay, but
Yeah. To be honest, I was
I
a
will be
little
strict.
busy. For,
I will be little strict from next class because I want you guys to create something. And
I will.
there, yeah, there are so many things we have to do. Or I think I should have to make you guys to purchase a Google Play account. Okay, so
Okay.
both of you can invest $25 for lifetime. Actually, this is the payment for is will be for the lifetime. And if it sounds good to you, then today or tomorrow, uh, after the lecture, I will send you some links. Okay, and from that links you can create your account, and you can pay $25 if you don't have a Google Play account. Okay, and then you can
You
purchase
mean a
the,
developer account, right?
yeah,
Developer account.
yeah, developer account.
Okay.
Okay, and once you buy the developer account, I really wanted you guys to upload game, and I have already tell you the basics of Unity, but inshallah my mission is to tell you the development process to the publishing process, how to publish a game in Android Google Play Store. Okay, so
Yeah.
in
You
input,
tell us that you will make the game, that you show us before. So we're gonna
yeah,
create this game.
yeah,
All right, sweet.
we will, yeah, I
Very
have this Google Play account. This is my account, Hark Studios. So the similar account you will get, I can show you. These are my games. Some have 3.35 thousand downloads, 1.13 downloads, and these are very little games. Actually, I created them in 1 or 3 days. Some Flying Dragon Simulator, the Dodge car parking, and the shooting game was also there. Yeah, this one is the shooting game, FPS.
This
There are
is
so
your
many.
games.
Yeah, these all are my games.
So if I go to the Google Store, I can find them.
Yeah, exactly. You can find them. This one is the most popular game of me. Okay, play.google.com. Let's search over here. And Flying Dragon, I think Flying Dragon, if you search. So it is top 10 game, I think, right now. It is on the third. Okay. So this is my
Oh,
game.
nice.
This is my game.
I
And
I think you showed us before that you were
yeah,
making fire on buildings and these things, right?
yeah. But
Yeah.
I want you guys to buy one account right now. And
Okay.
yeah, and you have to publish a small game, even a small game, no problem. Okay, so let's do something over here. So over here, what we will do, we will create a public bool move right. Okay, and a public bool move left. Okay,
Oh,
and so whenever the player is moving right, so the bool will become true, and otherwise the player is not moving right, so it will become false. And whenever player is moving left, this move left become true, and whenever the player is not moving to left, it will become false. So for that, what we will do, public, okay, update. When you hit the enter button, it will create everything for you. And over here we will do the same thing which we have already done in the movement script, but it will be something like, if we will do the translate one, yeah, this one.
okay.
We'll copy this, and now you can see, if input dot d, this one is move right. Okay, so now we can call move right is equals to true. Okay, else move right is equals to false. Okay, and the same thing for move left.
Okay.
When I press a button, okay, so the move left,
Will be true.
yeah, exactly, and the move left become false. So now let's check in the Unity. Hit the save button, Command S and Control S to save it. Right now it will not be moving because we have uh, commented that line. And let's check only whenever we are pressing the D right and left button. So when I press the D button, so move right is coming true, and whenever I uh, drop the D button, okay, so it will become false. The same like this. But the issue is when I press both of button, so both of them become true. So it is not good. Okay,
Yes.
one should be
I
there.
think I think you should make another if statement that if
Yeah, exactly. But before that, before this statement, we have to make our here, because this will work before that. So whenever move right and and move left, move left is true. This means it's true. Okay,
make it move right and move left false.
right now, no. When it is true, so you have to return from the update method. I just called it. Okay, this means
Sorry, Hafid, why we didn't just put that move right and move left equal
actually
false?
this means this. I don't need to write this. This is the same thing.
Ah,
This is the same thing.
okay.
If you do like this false, or this, the other thing is, if I add this character over here, so it means it is false. Okay, so this is a
By
professional way
default,
to.
it's false here.
No, by default it is true. Right now it is in a same condition, same.
It's true. By
Yeah,
default,
so
it's
it
true.
is by default it is true. So when the both
But
are true,
I know Hafiz, but I have a question here. Why did you make it return? Why didn't just put move right equal false, move left equal
actually
false?
I don't want to run the update method, because update method,
Okay.
it will be more
Got
optimized
it.
actually. When
Yeah,
move,
so returns, that means he's gonna return back from the update method, right?
yes, yeah,
All right,
so
all right. So
move right and move left is equals to true, so return from update. So it will no go, it will not go from to here. If this condition is true, then it will return. It will not compile all this code. Okay, so
okay.
let's check over here. When I press both of the keys, then what is happening? Okay, so now when I press the right, okay, it is, yeah, when I press right, it is becoming true, and when I press left, it is becoming true, and when I press both of them, so it is becoming true.
Both of them
Okay,
true.
okay, both of them true. It is not working. So what I need to do, I have to make them move left equals to false, move right is equals to false.
I told you.
Okay, yes, you were right. So
All right. Let's see. Maybe I'm right. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see.
it's okay, it's okay. So now when I press both of them, so they are becoming false, but they are
Okay. That's good. I
Okay.
think there is some type of blinking or something.
Yeah, it is blinking right now. So mm, mm, mm. Move left and move right is becoming two. Okay. We have made it to, okay, we can create uh, one more thing we can do. We can make a new bool can move. Okay. And whenever both of them is true, so we can false it. Okay. And whenever we can make it false. Okay. Got it? Because both of, if both of the move right and move left is true, so user cannot move. Got it?
No, I didn't, sir. To be honest.
You didn't get it. I have created a new bool can move, so it will take care, it will take care uh, user can move, whether user can move or not. Okay, so when the can move, if this condition and can move is equals to true, else can move is equals to true. Okay, can move is equals to, whenever the can move is true,
Equal sign.
don't didn't you get it? I make a condition, I just make a condition
Yeah,
of
I get
can
it, but
move.
I don't know. Yeah, but I don't know
I
why
just,
the the thing before didn't work.
yeah, I actually don't know, it should work, but we can make a new logic, it's not a problem.
Then if you return in an update method, what will happen to their method?
If I return to the update method, it
So
should go out
the
from the,
first thing
it should go out
the
from the
first thing yeah, the first thing you did, if you return an
yeah,
update method, will you exit the update method?
yes, yes, yes.
And then
So you guys want me to do
if
that?
you exit,
Your voice is so much breaking,
how
Hussein.
can you
I can,
get
Hello.
yeah, I cannot hear
the
you
حسين
here,
next
حسين صوتك
Hussein.
قطع.
Yeah,
حسين
Hussein
صوتك قطع
was,
بس.
yeah,
input?
Hussein, we cannot hear you. We cannot hear you. Okay,
حسين تبي اجيب لك راوتر شيء؟
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
wait. Okay, you said wait.
okay. Let's check it. Let's check it out. Can move is true.
Yeah, let's check it. Now you didn't. Okay.
It's still, it is blinking. It is the same actually. It
So,
is okay. I have to make some
so
condition. Yeah.
the first thing you did when you return from the update method,
Mm-hmm.
how
Yes.
do you get the next input?
When I return to the, like
So
this.
if you did it, yeah, if you the first thing you did, no, I
Mm-hmm.
get the can move. Yes, yes, like this. When you
Mm-hmm.
return from update, how do
Mm-hmm.
you get how does the compiler go to the next if statements?
No, it will come back again and again. It will, when it return from here, so it will come back again, but it will return again and again. Okay, until this
Okay,
statement, until this
okay,
statement is
so
false.
okay, so is there any way to break outside the loop of update?
No, we cannot break the update loop. Actually, we cannot update. I just make a condition.
Okay,
I just make a condition whenever the move right and move left is true. So you have to return. You have to return. So
Mhm.
run again the code.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah,
I get
that's
it.
the thing. That is the thing. So whenever we are pressing both of them, okay, so we have met this thing. Okay, so all of these is working actually.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So it is also working. Move right and move left. Okay, it's true. It should be returned. So okay, no, not a problem. We can go with that and we can resolve it later. So okay. So now for we can move forward. Okay, so here we have make a move right bool. It is working. Okay, right now they are blinking. So we will fix that uh, later. Okay, and now what we can do?
Hafiz, can I have a question?
Yeah,
Maybe if we put it outside the update method, maybe it's gonna work.
yeah, it can. It won't. No, it will not work because
Okay.
because if I make a wide public wide move, okay, and on move,
Okay.
let's say the new method name is on move, and I put all these things, all these statements under that, okay, and I just call on move. I have to call it under the update method
Yeah.
actually. So
So it's
it
the
will be
same thing.
same, the same thing. It will
Yeah,
be a
it's
same
same
thing.
thing. Yeah, same thing. Same. All right.
And
So
if it,
we
so
can
if if the first if condition, if it goes down, does that change anything?
hmm, yeah. I'm sorry. Can you ask me again?
So the first if condition, this one, move right and move left. If it
Mm-hmm.
goes all the way down,
Mm-hmm.
does it change anything at all?
Yeah, we can try it. We can try it.
Yes, right here maybe.
We can try it actually. Okay. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, excellent. It is not, the issue is gone now. Wow. Now I'm pressing both of them. So there is nothing. So I really appreciate Hussein. I knew
No
you was a
problem.
programmer. I knew that from the first day.
Yeah.
Look, Ahmad, Hussein is very good, mashallah. Okay, so it's working now. And thank you so much. And now what we can do over here, we can translate to forward. Okay, and also we need to make a speed variable public float speed, so we can maintain the speed of the cube. Okay, and something like that we have to add when we press the A button, and we just make it minus. Okay, so now I think it will work. So this is a player. Okay, and this is the input manager, and the speed is 0 right now. We can make it 5 and hit the play button. Okay. Actually, what is happening right now? Okay, I was wrong. I don't have to add this transform dot translate things over here, because I have to make a new script, because transform dot translate will translate this object, this empty object. Okay,
Yes.
and I wanted to move this object. So if I want to change that cube position, so I have to make a new public transform. Okay, transform, and I can call it player, and
Okay.
over here I can declare only the player dot transform like this.
So do you recommend this movement or do we attach the script to the cube?
No, I don't recommend this this script. I will change it actually. I just want to show you
Okay,
it is working like this.
okay.
So when I moving when I touch the D on A button, move right and move left, so it is changing the player position now. Okay, so it is not a good way to do that. So what we will do, we will make a singleton method. Okay, right, like we have done it before, public static and input manager. The name of this will be the same of the class name. Okay, input manager, and we can call it instance like this, and on awake method we can, okay, this dot game object. Okay, okay, we can call it this. Okay, so now we have make a instance, and now what we will do, we have to go to the player, and we can call player, okay, we don't, player manager, or we can call player movement. Okay, this new script we have to drag under the 2.5D game folder. Okay, this new script, drag and drop over here, go over there. Okay, so now delete these things, and now on the update method we can check if input manager dot instance dot move right is equals to true. Okay, so then we have to move that like this. Okay, the speed values should be there, and it is same like if, okay, the same, move right, copy this and paste it over here, and we can call it move left. Okay, so it will work or not? This is the same thing which we have done over here, but now I have divided the work. Okay, so let's check it. Let's select the player, and over here the speed value is 0. Let's make it 5, and now let's check. Yeah, it is working.
Hmm.
Right.
And
And if
whenever,
you press the same time, and if you press A and D at the same time,
yeah, when I press both of them, it is not working, it is not moving, it's working.
good.
That code is awesome, this one. Okay, so yes, so now, okay, we can okay, we can make it 0 0. If I make it to 180, So it's become like this. Okay. So main camera should be okay. It is like 45 and the height is I think 8. And now we can change. Yeah, something like 20 in between the 10th position, 0. Now it is on the center. Okay. So now I think we have already make a camera script over here. So we can just drag and drop. Where is that? Smooth follow. Yeah. And we can just drag and drop the target. And I think the X position is 20 and the Y position is minus 90 and the Z position is 0. So now let's check if it is working or not. Oh, okay. What is happening, Hussein?
Think you're moving the camera or something?
I think the smooth follow script.
Yeah, but it is not in a good way. Follows. Okay. Okay, smooth follow. Let's open it up. And what is happening? Transformer position is equal to target. Smooth follow, I think. Yeah, we should start from here. And okay, like this. And now we can see how which value is the perfect one. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, five is fine. Now the 5 is
Okay.
fine and 8 and 5 value is fine. So 8 and 5, and let's see if 8 and 5, yeah, it is different. That's why. So now we can go with that. Now if I change it to 5 value, and now you can see if I make a new, now I need to make a floor. Okay, so for that we need to make another cube, and we can make it 0 0 0. Okay, and we can make it now. It's look like a 2.5D game, right, Ahmed? Okay, so we
Ahmed,
can
Mega Man, Ahmed.
I think he's taking a nap. It's a nap time, I think.
Sort of. I'm here. Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah. I think it wasn't your. It was your internet problem maybe.
Yeah, because I was talking about. So,
I, yeah, I can. We can hear you. We can hear you now.
all
So
right,
we can.
that's good.
We
That's
can.
good.
Yeah, we can
يلا
make it
حسين يلا يا حسين.
box. Fine.
Nice.
So now let's see what is happening. Okay, so now what is happening? Almost I can show you. I have some sprites in my downloads folder. Here we can see previously I have downloaded some of them, which are related to these are the sprites. You can see in the most of the 2.5D game, you can see these type of sprites. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 different type of themes. These are the themes which we can put uh, in of the background of the game. Okay, so
Yeah.
So we cannot put a 3D model, you mean?
yeah, we can put it. I can show you the way how to put them.
Okay.
So now I think which one is fine. I think we can go with this one. Yeah, just drag this one and drop under the 2.5D game and make a new folder. We can call it textures. Okay, I just selected, let me show you again. I have selected this one. If you guys okay with that, we can go with that. Otherwise, we can go with that. Which one is like most? I think this one is simple. This one.
I like the main. This one.
This one.
I don't.
This one is
No,
no.
the other one. This one is better.
This one. This
No,
one
no,
you
no.
like?
Whatever nature. I don't like desert.
Yeah, we have enough deserts in our country, so thank you, Hafiz. We don't need it. Anything else? Anything, please. Oh yeah, that's one. Yes, no, yes. I didn't see this long
Yeah.
time ago. Mountains
like this
and
one too.
trees.
This one is fine.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
I like this
yes.
one.
No desert, please. This one is good. Please.
Okay. So we can call it,
Thank you.
okay, it's already a BG. And now we have to make it to sprite. Okay, override it. Hit apply button. Do you know that, Hussein? How to change the texture to sprite? Just select the texture, and you have to change the texture type over here. Select the
Okay.
sprite,
What's that?
and then just hit the apply button, so it will change to the texture or sprite. Okay. So
What's
now,
that described, Hafiz?
yeah.
What is? Why did you change it to sprite?
Yeah,
What's
actually,
that? Should I-
because it is